Oh, 2020 is gonna start off on a good foot. These two right here are my very first purchases, my first two purchases of the year 2020. I decided to go with fragrances that the online community on Fragrantica, Base Notes, YouTube, you name it, dub these challenging masterpieces, dark, mysterious. These two right here I'm talking about, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what I'm unboxing. These two are two blind buys from the House of Comme des Garçons. I haven't bought one in a long time from this brand. Guerlain, well, you know me. I just go kind of crazy with Guerlain. Cuir Intense, ooh, a leather-based fragrance, and I feel like black's going to be a dark, smoky fragrance from what I've heard. So I'm thinking, I'm putting myself in a good situation here where the first two purchases of 2020 should be right up my alley. These should be great fragrances from my taste. One last thing to ask before we get out of this intro, because it's a long intro, is I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready for this unboxing? Keep it tuned in. Fragrance family, welcome to my February 2020 unboxing and first impression video, the first of the year. I bought these two back in January. I'm telling you guys the truth. I bought them back in January, and I'm finally getting down to sit down with all of you and film this video. I didn't want to unbox them. Trust me, I've had some nights that I wanted to unbox these and wear them, and F the fragrance community, who cares? I'll make up some excuse that I already unboxed them, but no, I am true to my word. When I unbox fragrances, when I can, I will unbox them so they're still wrapped up. I'm anxious to see if I feel like these two are going to be bangers in my collection. I think these are going to be possible top 20 list contenders, especially for fall and winter. That's what I'm assuming. But again, these are blind buys, so I don't know what I'm getting, but I still do my research, so I kind of know what I'm getting. So before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video, I'd like to do a little bit of advertisement for yours truly. So first and foremost, please take the time to subscribe down below. Hit that bell. I love the sound of that bell. And you keep tabs on me. You know, this kind of unboxing, you want to be the first one to check that out. And hitting that bell will guarantee that. I'm also all over social media. I got Facebook, I got Twitter, I got Instagram. Go check me out on all that. I'm under Robes08. You can find me talking about social media. Yes, I do have a Facebook page, but I also have a Facebook group. The group is great. It's a Fragrance Guru Nation, FGN for short, where myself and 17,200 other members. Yeah, that's a pretty big Facebook group. And we're waiting for you to join today and talk about fragrances, buy and sell, swap. We talk about the YouTube fragrance community, reviewers, new reviewers that come in and out. They show their videos and stuff like that. So definitely a good resource. If you have a Facebook account, what are you waiting for? Come join FGN. Now, these two. Where did I get these? I'm going to be fairly short and sweet with that. I purchased these on fragrancebuy.ca when they still had Comme des Garçons in their lineup. I'm one of the lucky ones to get black before they got rid of the lineup. So it is a Canadian fragrance online discounter, actually a really good discounter, I'll be honest. No affiliation here, no coupon code to throw at you guys, but they do have some great stuff. Unfortunately, while I'm unboxing this thing is long gone. So I'm sad that I wouldn't be able, some of you won't be able to purchase it on that website, but I don't know where you could find this. I think Lucky Scent has them. And of course CDG, if you go on their website, you can purchase that. But this guy right here, she's still there. I don't know if it's still in stock, but Cuir Intense, of course, a great price on that website. I like to go to Fragrance X, but I also like to go to Fragrance Buy from time to time and check out what they have available. So no more talking. I'm gonna go sit down now. I'm gonna set up my my camera here to be a little more comfortable, and let's unbox these. Let's sniff them. I'll tell you what I think. Let's go. Hey everybody, now I'm sitting down, my fragrances are here, I got my test strips ready. I don't know if I'm ready because these are big, bold fragrances. Maybe I should shoot this video another. Now, let's go. Let's take a look. Let's start with Black from Comme des Garçons. Again, like I said, I haven't purchased a CDG fragrance in a long time. I'm happy. It is one of my first fragrances for 2020. I'm telling myself that I should buy more CDG fragrances. I actually have, it's a secret between me and you, but I have 2 more Comme des Garçons fragrances, another haul coming up probably next month, which I have 2 more CDGs coming. So I'm doing well in 2020 as far as this brand. Absolutely love the brand, very avant-garde, synthetic, but great fragrances, very artsy. And you know me, I love my artistic fragrances. Sometimes artistic doesn't go with wearable. Sometimes that's true, depending on the frag head. For me, I love daring, challenging stuff, and I love where CDG goes with some of their fragrances. Namely, what I've seen online with this one. This is right up my alley. This is going to be one of my top tiers Comme des Garçons, maybe one of my favorites. I would have to say maybe 12 Comme des Garçons fragrances. So this is, I think, number 13 here. But I hear this is highly smoky, and that's... Let's go. Let's unbox this one. So Black, again, I want to thank first and foremost Christo, a fellow fragrance reviewer that really did an outstanding job spotlighting this one years back when it first got released. I also want to thank Christo and Eugene. They talked about this fragrance recently, and also Tim Tunes from the Tunes website. Wait a minute. What weird packaging. Sorry, I had to stop. What weird packaging. That's enough. Okay. I don't think I've ever seen a fragrance packed in a black bag in a box like that, but sure. It goes with the theme, very industrial, I'm assuming. I'm sorry to the mic. You guys are hearing all this feedback. I'm going to put the bag right back in here. So again, thank you to Christo, Eugene, and Tim from Tunes. Again, 3 fragrance reviewers that I absolutely love. They have the same type of taste as I do. This bottle is actually really simplistic, but very nice. I really like it. Cap's okay. Here's typical cap, but wish me luck. I'm going in. So Black. I'm assuming smoky, but I know there's a lot of black pepper, I think is what I heard, and why it's called Black, but we'll see. Let's sniff it. Oh, Jesus, Murphy. Oh, yeah, sorry. Really? Oh my God. Oh, it reminds me, you know what it reminds me? Immediately, it smells like Olivier Duparneau's Black Tourmaline, very smoky. Wow, birch. Ooh, it has a balsamic quality to it. Beautiful balsamic quality. I get that licorice that they were talking about a little bit. Smoky, tar-like. There's some woody qualities, but there's some balsamic qualities, just like Black Tourmaline from Olivier Duparneau. A great, one of my favorite fragrances in the smoky genre. This really reminds me of this. Black pepper a little bit. I could feel a little bit of that different type of bite to the fragrance. Oh, that's so nice. Heavy woods, smoke, a little bit of that. I like the layers, the licorice, a little bit of that licorice, giving it a little bit of a different theme than just a birch woody fragrance, which it kind of gives you like a smoldering, smoky feel to the fragrance. This has many layers. The black pepper kind of gives you a little bit of that bite to go with it. Very well paired together. I need to know who the nose is behind this. It almost has like a gothic theme to the fragrance, and the color, the black, the industrial paper here. Incense, birch, black pepper, licorice, all works very well. Of course, I'm getting some cedar. There's definitely some woods in here. Beautiful, dry fragrance. Oh my God, Comme des Garçons just killed it. One of my favorites already. I haven't even put it on my skin once yet, but on that piece of paper, it is doing magic. Black by Comme des Garçons. If you can get your hands on it, and Comme des Garçons are, I'm not going to say affordable, but they are affordable. If you're looking at like a fragrance, like a Patchouli 24 by Le Labo, which this is compared to, I think Patchouli 24 has more of a kind of a smoked meat accord, kind of has that type of feel to the fragrance. This is a little different. It's going more Black Tourmaline by Olivier Durbano. I'm really feeling that from this, but it really is, I know Comme des Garçons is dubbed like a designer brand, but a higher end designer brand because their pricing is a little higher. But if you're looking for like mid-tier niche, you like smoky fragrances, you like challenging fragrances, this is right up your alley. Let's open up Create Intense because I think I'm going to go 2 for 2 for this. 2 for 2. Put your money, put your bets down in the comments below. Put 50 bucks down. Let's see if I'm going to like them both. I think I will, but we'll see. Create Intense. I love my leather-based fragrances. I can make a top 50 leather-based fragrances in my collection. Easy. Anything that says Create on it, leather, I will purchase. I like the brown. You know, it might make me think, some fragrances actually make me think of black leather and some brown leather. Not that they smell different or anything, but they do to me. They give me that different imagery. This cap's having a hard time coming off. I'm not a big fan of the look of this lineup, to be quite honest. That's a sticker, right? Yeah, they kind of look cheap even with the bow here, but I'm not here to judge the bottle. I'm here to smell some leather. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm excited to get this. This was, of course, the more expensive of the two. So I'm hoping I'm going to get, oh my God, I can smell, I haven't even, wow, that's tough. That is, it has a fruity scent. Oh, wow, that is tough. Dark, oh man, yeah, 2 for 2. Whoever put bets down in 2 for 2, you guys are winners. This thing is engulfing this room. I haven't even smelled the test strip. I can feel that, I wouldn't say animalic, but some tough, rough and tumble leather that I love. You know, the Tuscan leathers of the world. This kind of reminds me of like that kind of melange, that it has a rough tumble leather, but also has a fruity aspect. And I haven't even smelled this yet. Yeah, it's got some smoothness on there. So I did look at the note breakdown a little bit. I saw that Ylang Ylang was in there, osmanthus. So they will give a waxy, creamy quality to the fragrance, and it does, like on the strip. When I first sprayed it and it was like this, I smelt a lot of the leather, then I smelt a little bit of the fruity nuances, of course, from the osmanthus that will give like an apricot, like a sweet apricot feel to the fragrance. Smoky leather, kind of feels like the leather almost has like a tobacco-ish feel to the fragrance because it has that smoky quality to the fragrance. It has some very interesting tobacco and leather qualities. Very nice. This strip is giving me a lot. Wow. Yeah, smoky, but yet has a waxy, creamy quality. I love when leather-based fragrances, when they're big and bold and they're animalic, right? My Cuir de Monadi Audio, perfect example of that. Big, smoky, dark, animalic, raunchy leather. Leather oud is another perfect example of that. This one, Tuscan leather, not saying Tuscan leather's cleaned up a bit, but this kind of throws off that cleaned up, but still kind of challenging because of the leather. Yeah, yeah, these two are winners. Win. 2020 is off to a great start. 2 great additions to my collection, and I mean great additions. If you have the same taste as me, like the exact same taste as me, I blind bought these 2, and right now, zero regrets. So happy. Kind of want to go buy some more. Oh man. Oh, that's nice too. Win and win. I can't wait to put these on my skin. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to hear your take on these 2 fragrances, good, bad, and the ugly. I'd love to hear it. You don't have to be blown away like I am with these. And you know me, I don't sugarcoat it. If it's crap and I spent a lot of money on it, it's crap. Oops. I'll do a video, good video, perfect. But if I can get 10 out of 10s, and these 2 are kind of looking at the 10 and going, I'm going to get maybe a 10 on the Robes08 channel. That's what these two are looking at me right now. So don't hesitate in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. You may not have the same nose as me and you say, that's disgusting, this is disgusting, I don't know what you're talking about. I'd love to hear your take. If you feel the same way as me, let's celebrate together that I got two great fragrances. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing. Finally got these out. It is still winter in Canada, so you know it's not spring. I got enough snow to go up to my elbows right now, so I'm good. I can still wear these. I am going to try them out in the cooler weather, but we are going to get a pop the cherry on both of these coming up. So I'm going to give you guys my scent of the day, kind of wearing them for a whole day and see how I get from them. But at the end of the day, these two on a piece of paper are showing me complexity, darkness, exactly what I want from a leather-based fragrance, exactly what I want to get from a smoky fragrance. Really two great releases from two brands that I absolutely love. So there you have it, my first unboxing and sniff of my two first purchases of 2020. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.